Hello guys, welcome back to my channel SV Dhirwani. Today we will discuss about the cast analysis which I uploaded the video a month ago previously, which I showed you these two models which were not even started before ortho treatment. These are the models I showed you previously. This was the maxillary model, this is the mandibular model. Okay, so last time we discussed about some few points about these casts. So I'm gonna just repeat it very quickly what we discussed. We discussed about the number of teeth present. We discussed about the crowding element. As you can see here, the canine is labially placed. This shows crowding. This is a maxillary cast. We also see this hard palate region. We also see the depth of the palate, the intercanine width, the intermolar widths, any sort of rotations which are present here we see in this maxillary cast. In the mandibular cast, we also look for the type of dentition present, number of teeth present, either it is permanent or primary dentition. We see the rotations if they are present or not. We see any kind of carious tooth restorations or any crowns which are been incorporated. And in this particular lower arch cast, we also see the curvus P, the depth of which is known as curvus P. So this is what we discussed previously on my video about the casts. So now I'm gonna show you those models which have been orthodontically treated. They are near to completion of the patient. So I'm gonna show you the models one by one. First of all, I'm gonna compare it with the maxillary cast. This is the previous cast and this is the maxillary cast which is after orthodontic treatment. As you can see here, you can look closely. This is before the ortho treatment, and now look at this. This is after the orthodontic treatment. You can look here closely. You can see a vast difference in both these models. What you can see here, the canines were labially placed, the laterals were inside, there was element of crowding also. Alright, there was element of crowding. Now look at this. Here the braces are still in contact. As you can see here, the canines now they are into the arch. They are in the same position. Even the lateral incisors, they are also into the arch. There is no crowding present. The constricted maxilla has been expanded. As you can see here, there is a beautiful arch is formed. You can see here, the braces are still intact in the models. Alright, so this was the huge difference. We relieved the crowding in this case, and what we have done, we have relieved the constricted arch. We have expanded the maxilla here. You can see here. So this is the target we have achieved in this maxillary cast. Look closely. This is before, this is the after. All right, now I'm going to show you the mandible cast. This is the before ortho treatment mandibular cast, and now this is after orthodontics. As there was very minor problems in the lower arch, you can see there was a minor problem here. Mild crowding, mild rotations were present. So what we have done, we have aligned the lower arch. As you can see here, look at the curve, look at the arch, symmetric arch. We have relieved some of the crowdings, some of the rotations. This is very beautifully aligned, still in the process. And even the curvus P is also slightly addressed. So in mandible there was no such major problem. The major problem was in the maxillary region. So we have corrected the maxilla accordingly. So this is the mandibular cast. And now I'm going to show you the bite, occlusal bite, what differences we have faced. This is the mandibular, this is the maxilla. As you can see here, this was before. You can see the bite in front region. You can see here in the front the bite on this side and this side. This is before. Now look closely. Now this is after ortho. The maxilla is beautifully expanded. You can see the teeth are in alignment, they are in arch coordination, the canines are in class 1 relationship, and the molars are also in class 1 relationship. So in occlusally you can see when the models are combined together, this is a beautiful difference between the pre-treatment and post-treatment. So by concluding in this video, we have seen the major difference before orthodontic treatment, and this is after orthodontic treatment. So this is a very beautiful result, and we have different kinds of patients who require orthodontic treatment, and I will show you some of the cases in near future. So keep liking my channel, do subscribe it, and do share it to others. I hope you enjoyed this video, and next time we will discuss more videos regarding orthodontics. Thank you so much.